Have you seen the smoky scene in the picture? Under the pressure of the machine, the rope is quickly sewn on the rubber surface. This is the production of safety shoes. As the name suggests, safety shoes are safe enough. There are multiple steel plates built in. Gravity pressure is not easy to deform. The special material is also the main reason for its increased strength. This process is more common in the production of high-end leather shoes. The reputation of not easy to deform is well known. Today, we will learn about the whole process of safety shoe production in detail. As the rubber is rolled many times in the machine, the shape has also changed. From the original hard rubber, it has evolved into the softer one now. As the main material is rolled, a square piece of rubber appears in front of us. Then put it in water to cool it down to quickly solidify and increase the hardness. In the blink of an eye, the cooled rubber is taken out and placed on the side. After the water evaporates, the next step is to cut and segment. Rubber blocks of the same size and specifications fall from the machine one by one. These rubber blocks are the soles of the later stage. It should be easy to find that this kind of rubber is a bit similar to the rubber of car tires. The upper is presented in front of you. It is being processed. This is also a crucial link in the production of safety shoes. The metal toe is glued under the upper to increase the strength of the safety shoes. It is placed in the machine to start automatic operation. What is being carried out now is the initial processing. After fixing the whole shoe, the second step of sewing the sole begins. Careful friends should have found that a long steel plate is also placed in the sole. With the addition of the steel plate, you don't have to worry about getting pricked when walking. Because it is a safety shoe, so it is also to deal with design for complex construction links. Start grinding the sole. The main purpose is to grind off the glossy surface. Make it rougher. This will facilitate the next. Gluing and bonding will be more durable. Next, start the next link. Use special materials to bond the heel. In front of you is a composite material similar to wood. Increases a certain hardness. The heel. It is also a common part of leather shoe making. Put the previously cut rubber block in the heating furnace. Bake it to soften it. It is easier to solidify when squeezed. Put a piece of rubber in the mold and rotate it to the right position. Start squeezing and fixing. After the two molds are aligned, the internal operation starts automatically. When it is opened again, the rubber has been evenly fixed on the surface of the sole. This is also the main method of sole making. But there are still some vaguely visible excess rubber. Glue the built-in height increasing pad and place it inside the safety shoe. Start to cut off the excess part. Excess rubber is also inevitable during extrusion, so you need to use tools manually. Continuously cut the edges and slightly polish to improve the texture. The last material of the shoe. Shoelaces are also indispensable. Use spray paint to add black to the surface. Increase brightness. It is also necessary to increase heating and baking to fix the paint surface and prevent it from falling off. When it comes to the manual testing stage, mainly check the sole and the surface of the safety shoe. The final test stage is the strength test. The test location is the metal steel plate at the toe. Mainly check the damage to the material by external force. Can it play a protective role? No big changes. Now the test is pressure damage. Overall strong. The above is the production process of safety shoes. Thanks for watching.